Hello and welcome. My name is Keegan and I'll be sharing this breathwork practice with you to help increase your lung capacity and also calm your nervous system. So this practice is focusing on an extended exhale. When we focus on the exhale, we're releasing toxins that have been held up in our organs and our body, and we're also releasing any tension or stress that might have been built up into our body. And so with this practice, we will do a 4-count inhale and a 6-count exhale. And we'll do a few rounds of that, and we'll hold in between each inhale and exhale. And then after a few rounds of that 4-to-6 ratio, we'll move into a 4-to-8. So inhaling for 4 breaths or 4 counts and exhaling for 6 counts. And again, we'll hold for just 1 count in between the inhale and exhale. And what this does is really rebalance and restore. It helps kick on our parasympathetic nervous system, which is the part of our nervous system that helps restore, rebalance, helps us signal to all parts of the body that we're safe and we are relaxed so that our digestion can be well, our breathing can come into regulation, our heart rate can come into regulation, so all systems can run smoothly. So let's begin. You can find a comfortable seat. I'm seated on the floor. You can do that. I find a nice cushion to lift up my hips, so my hips are higher than my knees. You could also sit in a chair. You can do this lying down if you'd like. So whatever feels most comfortable for you to be at ease and really focus on your breath is most important. So find that comfortable seat. You can bring palms down if you need a little grounding, if you find that your mind is a little busy. Palms down and elbows by the side ribs. Or you can flip the palms so the palms are facing the sky, and that helps bring in a little bit of energy. If you're feeling sluggish or lethargic, this can help bring a little bit more energy. And this practice will hopefully also support with that. Wherever you are, find that nice long spine so you can have some support by sitting in a chair or against a wall. And let's start with just getting present with our breath. So take a big breath in through the nose and sigh out the mouth. So this also is a sign to help activate our nervous system, to calm our system, and to be present. Let the eyes close or just bring the gaze downward without moving the head, and a soft, soft, soft gaze. So almost like you're looking through your lids half open or half closed. And let's take 2 more rounds of that breath. So take a big breath in through the nose. And then exhale, gentle sigh out. And then 1 more big breath in. And then exhale, constricting the throat. And then gently close the lips. We'll breathe in through our nose for this practice. So nose breathing helps also regulate our nervous system, but helps increase the oxygen and the lung capacity so that we can live a longer life. So let yourself breathing in and out through the nose. Just find that steady breath in and steady breath out. Relax the muscles of the face, soften the shoulders, and just allow yourself to get present in the here and now. So letting that to-do list, that running to-do list in our mind, just set it aside for right now to allow yourself to focus on your breath and your practice. Fully breathing in and fully breathing out. And then go ahead and exhale everything out. And we'll begin. Breathing in, inhaling for 4, 3, 2, 1. And holding it at the top. Exhale for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and hold it. Inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1, and hold. And exhale for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and hold. Inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1, and hold. Exhale for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and hold. Inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1, and now exhale for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold and inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Exhale for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and hold. Inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1, and hold. Exhale for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and hold. One more round. Inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1, and hold. Exhale for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and hold. Inhale fully in through the nose. Exhale fully out through the nose. And just take a few breaths and notice what you notice. Notice any shifts that have occurred during this practice. Notice anything that is more open, more grounded. Just allowing yourself to be with the breath here and focusing on the exhale, letting the exhale be longer than the inhale. So maintaining that focus on the exhale to help support the increase in the lung capacity and the rebalancing and regulation of the nervous system. And slowly tuck the chin in, open the eyes, just gaze down at the floor for a moment, orienting yourself back to the space, lifting your gaze, coming back to your space. And thank you for joining this practice to help rebalance and regulate your nervous system with this gentle breath work, and also help increase your lung capacity to increase your life force. Thank you, and may you be well.